What's up, guys, and welcome to a very super exciting unboxing. So this unboxing, I'm actually doing an unboxing and not an install because it's kind of a bittersweet unboxing, but I'm super stoked about this. So as you guys can see behind me, there's a big package. Now, just a little backstory. This package is coming all the way from Germany. So that just tells you. So this thing came in express freight from Germany. You know, this thing came in on a plane. There was no ship, nothing, because what's inside this box is what we consider in the Porsche world the Holy Grail. I want to tell you the Holy Grail of what. So let's see. So, I mean, before we even pull this out, you can see that it's all packaged nice. It's boxed in. It's on pallets. So, I mean, why don't a couple of you guys just kind of take a little guess of what's in there? Like, for real, take a quick guess of what you think is actually in the box before I open the box. But yeah, I mean, without further ado, let's open the box. Very well packaged. Very well packaged. So you guys can see, obviously it look like seats, right? Wait till you see what type of seats it is. Boom. All right, guys. So what we got here is the Holy Grail of Porsche seats. All right, so some of you guys may know, some of you guys may not know exactly what these are. These are GT2, 997 GT2 folding carbon bucket seats. So you can see they got a whole carbon fiber back. You got the bag here on the side. And these seats are in mint condition. Extremely hard to find these seats. Extremely hard to find them. And when you do find them, you are paying an arm and a leg, such as I did when I purchased it. These seats are mint. They are perfect, excellent condition, which when you find them, you hardly even get them in such condition. You got the carbon fiber. Swipe off that little bit of dust there from shipment. Perfect backs. You hear that latch? Oh man, that is satisfying. But that, guys, is the unboxing of my GT2 carbon folding bucket seats. Now, the thing about these particular bucket seats are, these are also heated. So not only is it rare to find a set of these and extremely expensive, but when you do find a set, rarely do you get heated and rarely do you get in this particular condition. Like this seat, it's flawless. Like it's flawless. The seat was literally taken out of a GT2 with like 2,000 miles. So it hardly had any behinds in it at all. And I came across this thing, just surfing the internet one day. I've always wanted these seats, even before I put those seats in the turbo. Those are Recaros. Those are Recaro pole positions that's in there. But these are the holy grail of car seats. I don't know if there's another expensive car seat than this. Normally, I don't talk about prices on this, on my channel, because a lot of you guys know I really don't like talking about prices. But just to put it in perspective, these seats, these are $20,000 seats for 2 seats. So I went through an arm and a leg trying to actually get these through customs. Like I had to answer questions on why is the seat so expensive. I think they think I was like money laundering or something. It was crazy. I paid tariffs. I had to pay tariffs on these, 15% tariff on the actual seats. It was quite a task to get them, but they were worth every single penny to actually finally get a mint condition set of GT2 seats. Yeah, so let's talk about obviously you guys see the sweet part. This is the sweet part. And, I have the actual seats here and, the turbo is there and, the current seats on the turbo, as you guys can see, are there. But the thing is, but the thing about it, and to be 100% real with you guys, after I spent 20 grand on these seats, I said to my best friend, I said, yo, I don't even drive the car. I put countless amount of money into that car in the past 2 years. If you guys have watched all my videos, every video is like it's slowly progressive, $6,000 suspension, the Recaro seats, $6,000 for those. Doing the turbo setup and the engine, that cost me almost $30,000. Countless amount of dollars I've put into that car, and I hardly drive it because I love the build. I don't really care too much about the drive as much as everyone else. So when I ordered the seats, I kind of ordered them on impulse because they're so rare. Like this is a rare gem, and to be real with you, I actually traded my gray M3, which is going to Germany next week. I traded that plus some cash for the seats because I was selling that anyway. So, that's how I kind of came about it. But give me your thoughts. I want to hear you guys' thoughts. Would you sit down in a set of $20,000 seats? To be honest with you, a lot of people would have sit down in $20,000 seats. I would have sat down in them if the car wasn't already perfect. To me, my car is already perfect. I don't really know what else I need to do at this point. And I actually got 2 people that want the seats already anyway. So it's really not, because those that know, it's one of those if you know kind of things. And damn, these are gorgeous. Like these are mint. So Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Would you sit down in a set of $20,000 seats just because you can? Or would you sell it? Do you think I should put them in the car and then sell my Recaros? Let me open that up, show you guys if you haven't seen that. Those are my Recaros and how they sit with the BBI seat mounts. They slide forward and back. But Recaros, holy grails. Recaros, holy grails. What would you do, guys? Let me know your comments down below. I'm actually not going to install these seats right now. I don't know if I'm going to install them, or not. Like I said, I do have 2 people interested in them. I didn't actually buy them with intentions to sell them right away, but I'm also thinking about selling the car. And I don't know, just different chapter for me, different things. But it's more of just a toy. That's why I kind of traded my M3, because I'm actually making some different moves in my life as well. So drop your thoughts, drop your comments. I really want to hear what everybody got to say. Thanks, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out this unboxing. I'm extremely happy. Hopefully you're excited to, just see these things too, because they are just beautiful. Oh, they are just so mint and so perfect. Oh, that click is so satisfying. Peace, guys.